Hey there, real-life truth followers. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the psychological facts in our daily life. Today we come with special video that will teach you how to make her scared of losing you, the secret to making women worry about losing you. Showing appreciation and affection. In any relationship, the consistent demonstration of appreciation and affection serves as a cornerstone of emotional intimacy and stability. Recognizing and valuing your partner's efforts, qualities, and presence can significantly impact how she perceives the relationship. By expressing gratitude, love, and admiration, you not only strengthen your bond but also make her realize the worth of the partnership, leading to a natural concern about losing it. One effective way to show appreciation is through verbal affirmations. Simple, heartfelt expressions such as "thank you for everything you do" or "I really appreciate you" can go a long way in making her feel valued. Complimenting her on her achievements, appearance, or unique traits can also boost her confidence and reinforce her importance in your life. These verbal affirmations, when genuine and consistent, build a strong emotional connection. Maintaining a balanced relationship is a nuanced and complex endeavor that demands continuous effort and mutual respect. At the core, a thriving relationship is characterized by emotional investment, where both partners feel valued, understood, and cherished. One significant psychological aspect that often influences the dynamics of relationships is the fear of loss. This fear can serve as a powerful motivator, compelling individuals to invest more deeply in their partnership. When someone perceives a genuine possibility of losing their partner, it can trigger a heightened sense of appreciation and commitment. The fear of losing someone can foster a sense of urgency, prompting more attentive and considerate behavior. It encourages individuals to reflect on their actions and make conscious efforts to nurture their relationship. However, it's crucial to note that this fear should be managed carefully to prevent it from leading to insecurity or unhealthy attachment. Understanding these dynamics allows couples to navigate their relationships more effectively. By recognizing the role of emotional investment and the potential impact of the fear of loss, partners can work towards creating a more resilient and fulfilling relationship. This involves open communication, empathy, and a willingness to address challenges together. Ultimately, a balanced relationship where both individuals are equally committed and appreciative is less likely to be threatened by the fear of loss, leading to a more stable and enduring bond. Self-worth and confidence are pivotal elements in any relationship, serving as the bedrock upon which mutual respect and admiration are built. When an individual exudes self-assurance, it not only enhances their own quality of life but also positively impacts their partner's perception of the relationship. A confident individual is more likely to be valued and cherished as their partner senses the stability and security they bring to the dynamic. 1. Creating a sense of mystery. Maintaining a sense of mystery in a relationship is crucial for keeping the dynamic intriguing and compelling. When you are less predictable, you cultivate an aura of enigma that can make a woman worry about losing your attention and affection. This sense of mystery can be achieved through several practical approaches, ensuring that your relationship remains vibrant and engaging. 2. Balancing independence and togetherness. In any thriving relationship, striking a balance between independence and togetherness is essential. Maintaining this equilibrium not only fosters a healthier dynamic, but also creates a sense of appreciation for the time spent together. Pursuing your own interests and encouraging your partner to do the same can significantly impact the relationship's overall quality. Independence in a relationship means nurturing personal hobbies, friendships, and professional goals. When each partner invests time in their individual pursuits, it allows them to grow as individuals. 3. Effective communication and emotional connection. Effective communication is pivotal in nurturing a strong emotional connection within a relationship, which can ultimately make a partner apprehensive about losing such a profound bond. Sharing your feelings and thoughts candidly fosters intimacy and trust, two key elements in any healthy relationship. When you express your emotions openly, you invite your partner into your inner world, allowing them to understand you on a deeper level. This vulnerability can be both endearing and empowering, creating a foundation of mutual respect and emotional security. Demonstrating value through actions. In the quest to make her scared of losing you, actions undeniably speak louder than words. While verbal affirmations can be comforting, it is through consistent actions that one truly demonstrates their worth. By being supportive, reliable, and trustworthy, you become irreplaceable in her life, creating a sense of security and deep emotional connection. Being supportive is a cornerstone of demonstrating value. This means actively listening, offering help without being asked, and showing genuine interest in her passions and challenges. For instance, attending her important events, celebrating her achievements, and standing by her side during tough times signal that you are a steadfast partner. These actions build a foundation of mutual respect and appreciation, making the thought of losing you a significant concern. Reliability is another critical aspect. Consistently keeping promises, being punctual, and following through on commitments show that you are dependable. When she knows she can count on you, it fosters a sense of trust and stability. Simple actions like remembering important dates, being present when needed, and maintaining open communication contribute to a reliable image. This reliability becomes a pillar of your value, making her realize the rarity of such traits in a partner. Trustworthiness cannot be overstated. Building trust involves transparency, honesty, and integrity. Being truthful, even in difficult situations, and maintaining honesty in your actions and words will earn her trust over time. Trust is the bedrock of any enduring relationship. Once established, it makes the prospect of losing you daunting, as trust is not easily rebuilt once broken. Ultimately, demonstrating your value through consistent actions creates a powerful dynamic. It underscores your importance in her life, making her recognize the unique and irreplaceable qualities you bring to the relationship. By embodying support, reliability, and trustworthiness, you elevate yourself as a partner worth holding on to, thereby making her fear the possibility of losing you. Conclusion: maintaining a healthy relationship. In this video, we have explored various strategies to make her scared of losing you, with the ultimate aim of fostering a stronger and healthier relationship. We began by emphasizing the importance of self-worth, noting that a strong sense of self is fundamental to any relationship. By being confident and self-assured, you demonstrate your value, which in turn encourages mutual respect and admiration. Effective communication emerged as another crucial element. Open, honest, and respectful dialogue ensures that both partners understand each other's needs and expectations. This level of transparency helps to build trust, which is the cornerstone of any lasting relationship. It is essential to express your feelings and listen to hers, creating a supportive environment where both parties feel heard and valued. Striking a balance between independence and togetherness is also vital. While spending quality time together strengthens your bond, maintaining personal interests and friendships outside the relationship is equally important. This balance prevents dependency and fosters a dynamic where both individuals feel fulfilled and independent, yet connected and committed to each other. Ultimately, the goal is not to create unnecessary fear or insecurity, but to cultivate a relationship where both partners genuinely value and strive to maintain their connection. By focusing on self-worth, practicing effective communication, and balancing independence with togetherness, you lay the groundwork for a healthy and enduring partnership. A relationship built on these principles is one where both individuals feel secure, valued, and motivated to nurture their bond, ensuring mutual growth and happiness.